Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from my clinic called Saukhyam. The mission of Saukhyam is well-being of all. Today, I'm going to share with you all a beautiful poem which came to me when I woke up in the morning. There were those lines which made me feel so blessed and so peaceful within that I wrote them down. And I would like to share it with you all because you all are part of this journey which I am taking since quite some time. We speak about our emotions, we speak about the challenges that we face in our life, and we go through them with sometimes with a cry of eyes, or sometimes with a smiling face, sometimes walk down with them, sometimes thinking that why me, and sometimes thinking, oh my god, this did turn up me into somebody which otherwise wouldn't have happened if I had not crossed those challenges. So to all these people who are struggling through their darkest night, to all those people who have overcome all the hurdles of their life and today they're standing at this space where they look back and think, oh my god, this hurdle gave me an opportunity to get the best out of me. To all those people who feel that life is not fair to them, to all those people who feel, oh my god, life is so beautiful. So we are dealing with the same life with so many different perspectives. Sometimes making us feel blessed, sometimes making us feel too much overwhelmed by them and too much into struggling the life to live the life with a happy moment. Sometimes some people tell us that let's look at the present, but we keep looking back. Sometimes we feel that we should look in the present, but we keep looking in the future. So all said and done, with so many people speaking so many things that I keep telling y'all, and so many things you're actually dealing with, it becomes little difficult to really understand what am I supposed to do. So to all those people, I have written this poem from my soul, and I'm sure it will connect to another soul in this lifetime. Let's read it out. So here it goes. I am a light shining bright in the darkest night. I am a light guided by the souls struggling with their darkest night. I am a light guiding the soul lost in this darkest night. I am a light walking this path guided by my light. This eye which is in journey to meet its creation like a river to ocean. This eye which wished to fly in the sky like a bird. This eye which wished to dance like wind dances with rain. This eye which wished to romance like hills romancing the sky. This is the eye which is light shining bright like a star with every darkness it encounters. We all are this light lighting up each other's path even when we are lost in the darkness of our lives. So just embark on this journey with faith in divine and twinkle in your eyes, as life is not endless search for purpose but realizing we are the light, just shine bright, just shine bright. So beautiful. I must be the one who must be really saying her own poem beautiful, but I really felt very beautiful inside out. By inside out, I don't mean that the outside world is really bad. By inside out, I only mean that my inner world is also beautiful. And I really wish this for every one of us. So, today, even if you're struggling with your darkest night, remember there is light at the end of this road. And we all are going to reach there. Just shine bright and don't allow your brightness to go away till then. I hope you will be able to pass through any of this phase when we know we are the light, Thank you, and do comment in the comment section. This is my first poem. Thank you. See you again.